so much.
Thank you so much to every single person that has subscribed to me.
Thank each and every one of you who subscribed to me.
Thank you all.
Oh my god, I can't believe this. I'm so happy.
I wouldn't be holding this right now without you guys.
So to each and every one of you, thank you so much.
Always wanted one. I'd always wanted to see one. I never thought it would be possible to actually receive one myself. But here we are. Sorry guys, I'll get into it eventually. Moment of truth, guys. Fingers crossed fingers crossed they spelt my name right. You're here with me, man. You're fucking here with me, guys. Fuck. We're here. We're doing it. Is it there? Is it? Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh. That's even more beautiful than I ever thought possible. I thought it was on a black plaque. But it's not. It's silver and it's a mirror. Look at that. Can you see yourself? That's a straight up mirror right there. Oh mate. It's got felt on the back. Fucking hell, look at this. Presented to Jacob McDonald for passing, they spelt it right, thank God, for passing 100,000 YouTube subscribers. That is a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful, beautiful thing. I love it. Jacob McDonald, 100,000 YouTube subscriber Silver Creator Award is going right there. I don't even know what to say. How does it look back there? You can't even tell what it is. Can you? Doesn't matter, man. All you guys who've been here for this opening know what it is, and that's all that matters. So before I do go, I'm going to read this piece of paper, this letter from Susan Wachiki, CEO of YouTube. Imagine for the CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humour too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations, you're...
Gantian tangan.